Hello friends, I just wanted to quickly show you this little puzzle thing I'm working on. It's very simple to do. We have these different kinds of powders that we can use to change the lights, the fire colors on these torches. And when you get the correct combination, the door will open. For some reason I really like the blue flame. I don't know, it looks cool. And when we get the correct combination, there will automatically play an action list that opens the door. It is really simple because I have made this torch thing. It has a hotspot and it has the interactions for each of the different colored powders that you can change the torch to. So we have 4 here: purple, red, green and blue. And they all actually have the same change light action list. So what we had to do here is just create the action list. It is quite literally just 2 actions, plus I added this sound here. But it is quite literally just 3 parameters. We look at the torch light. So this is basically the game object that we are activating. The method name is the code that we are running to the torch that changes the colors, and then we are looking up the component variable of the object. So here we are changing the torch light and the component. We are setting both of them to the method name because here we have the same, like we are running here. If we look at the torch, for each different item that we can interact to the torch with, we have set interaction parameters as many times as needs be. Then we just add the correct torch and then the method names for each corresponding each of the different items. So purple light here, this text will be sent to the code, little script that I have in this object, and it will change the flame accordingly. And then the same is also set to the component variables string here. And the scripts look like this. We have 2 scripts. They're different for the light color and the particle color. Here we are taking the main module of the particle system, and then here we are setting the main.start color. You can use either color dot the name of the color or get new color and then put in these parameters, whatever you want them to be. If you look up the color codes online, then you can put them here. And it will get the main module and start color, and it will change the color here. And pretty much the same for the lights. So we are just getting the light component and then we are just setting its color as whatever you require. So when we have the combination correct, there is an on-var change which you can set in the ACK monitor scene. On variable change, this thing. It runs every time when a variable changes anywhere in the scene. So we have this running in the background, and here we just check each of the torches and see what is the correct combination here, and if we have set the correct lights, then we will run another action list where the player will look at the door here and it will open. It's really simple. It's really simple to do this kind of puzzle thing, and I also wanted to put the answer to the environment instead of just on a piece of paper that tells the correct combination. I think it's fun to do these kinds of environmental puzzles. So yeah, that's like a 5-minute tutorial, or not even that, but it's really simple to do with just a simple action list using parameters. How easy it is to do this kind of, because once you have done one of these torches and set all of these inventory interaction parameters, then you just duplicate the item. It will remember it's like these correct children. One thing that you might want to do is change the naming on these, because these are the same. It will update to these children, but if you change the names here, then you will see that the change is reflected. It's beautiful how Adventure Creator can do that. When you duplicate the object, it will take these interaction parameters and select its own children for that, so you don't have to drag and drop everything all over again when you are working with parameters. But yeah, that's fun. I'm working on my game. It's going slow but surely going forward. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.